What's up, guys? West Coast Cajun here, back with another bass fishing adventure. Today we are talking pre-spawn fishing, baits of choice. Typically, your pre-spawn fisheries are going to be riddled with overcast weather, winds, rains, all kinds of baloney going on. Fish are going to be moving up, moving back, trying to figure out what's going on. Long story short, though, is these fish are going to want to start coming up shallow, and they're going to start wanting to eat heavy and get ready for the spawn. During this time, they can be really picky. They can be kind of tough to get them excited about your bait, and you're really looking for a reaction strike. One of my favorite baits to throw during this time of the year when things are kind of slow and the weather's nasty, and they haven't really moved up on their beds yet, is a spinner bait. One of my favorite spinner baits is definitely comes from Booyah. I like their nice big half-ounce spinner bait. A lot of people during this time of year, they're really into those reds, they're into those oranges. It's just kind of the thing to do. I try to stay away from that norm. A couple reasons. One, everyone's throwing it. Okay, these bass in these smaller lakes, they're gonna see that over and over and over, and at some point they're not gonna want to hit it. Okay, and the other side to this is I want something just a little more natural. Right, they're not going to see a fish come flying through their area that is bright red. If this thing is rolling slow along the bottom, I want something that is at least going to mimic the bait fish that these bass are eating. And in the lakes that I'm fishing out here in southern Idaho, that is crappie and bluegill. So my color of choice is chartreuse. It's got just enough of that natural hint to it. It's got some white in it too. It just works really good for these bass. It's just it's what I use. I've had success with this bad boy all over the place. So here's what we're running, guys. This is half-ounce Booyah spinner bait, single blade, Colorado blade. I like that nice big gold blade on there. Once again, trying to mimic what they are feeding on. All right, these bluegill that are coming through the area, they're not silver. All right, they've got that gold kind of belly on them, and that's what we're looking for. We're trying to mimic what is natural in the hatchery and in the fishery. All right, get a nice heavy-duty swim bait trailer on the back of it. You got to have the paddle tail, gets that thing going back and forth, as much motion as possible, kick up as much water as possible. Really got to have that Colorado blade on there for the same reason. You guys have heard about the thump action that it gives out. You can feel this thing running all the way up the line through the pole. Every time it spins, thump, 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 thump. And the bass can feel this thing coming before they can see it. They are alert, they know something is in their area, and they're ready to attack it. All they gotta do is see it. Okay? I've got a nice trailer hook on here. This is a trailer hook that I make myself in the sense that I tie my own trailer hooks. I don't like those flimsy little set ones that come in the boxes and you can put on the hooks. Typically you don't get much twist in them, and a lot of times I've seen bass get a little bit of leverage on them and just spit the hook because of it. So I go a 50-pound braid, a nice heavy stout hook. You don't want anything that's going to be wiry and bending out on you. This is a heavy bait, and I'm going to throw it on heavy gear. So that's the type of trailer hook I have. I'll have to make a video and show you guys how I set that whole thing up. But long story short, that bad boy has saved me several times. You're going to see 2 or 3 fish in this video that I catch on the trailer hook. So very cool. So guys, super special video for you today. No BS, no hiking, no extra stuff. All you're going to see is me casting, reeling, catching, weighing, and releasing these fish. It's almost going to be like consecutive shorts over and over and over. Nothing on this video is smaller than 2.5 pounds. All these fish are good size, multiple catches. I think the biggest one is 4.5, and they really put up a good fight. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is West Coast Cajun saying keep them lines tight. I'll see you on the water. Here we go. Water's more clear than I thought. It's alright. Spring, right? High visibility. Fish. No shit. Sick. Hell yeah. There we go. Got it good too. That's a good one. Ooh, sharp teeth. Oh shit. Third cast. Nice. All right, I'm guessing 3.5. That's my guess. And it shut off on me, huh? Let's see here. 4.25, 4.32. 4.32. Sick. 4-pounder. It's a good way to start the day. All right. Let's get this dude back in there. Glad I stopped right here. Hell yeah. All right. This is the hardest part for me. All right. Thank you, Big Mama. A little lipstick going. All right. See ya, my man. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Peace. Hell yeah. That's a good fish right there. Heck yeah. Hell yeah. Sick. See what we got here. 3.48. 3.48. 3.55. 3.55. There we go. You felt good. Alright, my man. Thank you so much. Big fatty. See you next time. I'll make some babies. Peace. Hell yeah. Thank you. Fatty. Heck yeah. Nice fatty. Look at the gut. All right. Glad I came back over here. Hey, bro. Get you back in there. Let's see here. Thank you, Jesus. A little smaller. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chunky, but oh, there we go. Peace. Woo! Big one. Big one. Come here. Down there. Yep, yep, yep. Heck yeah. Whew. It might be a 4. Whew. Heck yeah. Good fight, man. Thank you. There we go. Heck yeah. Three, 3, 1. Nothing over 4 today yet. All right, my man. Thank you so much. Look at the lipstick. You know what time it is if they got lipstick. See ya. Peace. Whoo, heck yeah.